Good morning friends. Today we are going to learn about arange function in Numpy. Let's create an array. Import Numpy as np dot array 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9 comma 10. Okay, so I will print this. So we created this array, right? So let us create one more array using arange function. Now I want only 1 2 3 4 5 6. So using index you can write an arange function like this: np dot arange, right? You want from index 0 to until 6. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. So if I write 7, so the 7 is not included. Okay, and you will be having an array b. Okay, now let us print b. See here, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it works same as range function in Python. So 0 is start, okay, and 7 is stop. This 7 is not included in the list, so it can be written in two forms, either 0 comma 7, or you can get, if you write 7 you will get the same result. By default start will be 0. See, output doesn't changes. So if I write 8, output will be up to 7, right? So automatically the start value will be 0. It is same as range function in Python. Okay, now you can write one more function, one more uh, type, like np dot arange, okay, using step function. Like I want from index 1, that is start. Now I want to stop at 9. Okay, my step is 2. So the output will be 1. Since 1 is start, so 1 is included in the list, and the step is 2, so 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2, 5. Okay, so here 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. But we indicated stop as 9, so 9 is out of the list and the output will be 1 3 5 7. Now let us run this. See 1 3 5 7. I hope you understand this. I will explain again. So 1 is included, no confusion. Yes, I said that step, this is called step. So 1 plus 2 is 3, and the next number 3 plus 2, 5, and 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9, but 9 is our stop. So stop should not be included in our list. So the output is 1 3 5 7. In this way arange function works. Okay, and we have another function called linear space. So np dot lin space 0 to 10 comma 5. Let us say D. Okay. Now print D. So linear space means the last number indicates that this number of elements should be present in this list. Okay, see how many numbers are present? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, okay, let us specify that this is d type equal to int. Okay, now, okay, now see, I said that within the range 0 to 10, okay, 5 numbers should be included. So 0, then 2, then 5, then 7, then 10. See how many numbers are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, if I say only 3 comma 3, now 0, 5 and 10. If I say 4, 0, 3, 6, 10. This the last items, so whatever the number you give, that many items will be present in this list. And 0 and 10 are 0 and 10 are included. Okay, 0 and 10 are included. Okay, and the remaining will be, you can see here. Okay, if I remove this d type equal to int, then the output will differ. See here. Okay, see here, until 0 to 0 point something to 10 point something. So it by default it is in float value. Okay, so when I asked for 4 values, so it works like this. So 3.33 means 10 by 3. See, 10 by 4 minus 1. So the second value will be 10 by 3, and every time this 3.33 will be added to the next number. So 3.33 plus this is 6.67 plus 3.33 is equal to 10. So in this way this linear space works. Okay, then good morning friends. Today we are going to learn about reshape an array in Numpy. So I will create an array, import Numpy as np dot arange of 6. So it will create a array 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now let us name this as A. Now let us find the shape of this array. Okay. Now I want to reshape this array. Okay. For that I use a method called reshape of. Okay. Now you have to mention the new shape here. So new shape is always in the form of tuple. So write tuple and mention your shape. I want 3 comma 2. Sorry, 3 comma 2. See here. So the same array is reshaped as 3 comma 2. So the array is A. Now let's print this A here. Yeah, this is A, and the shape of this array is 6 comma. So I converted this 6 comma into 3 comma 2 by using reshape method. So in this way you can reshape an array using reshape method. Okay. Now good morning friends. Today we are going to learn about how to convert how to convert one dimension array to two dimension array and two dimension to three dimension and further extending these dimensions. So how to convert a single dimension array to 2D array, right? So for that I will create an array, import numpy as np dot array 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. Okay, now I will name this as A. Okay, now I'll find this shape, right? And the dimension of this is A dot ndim is 1. Now I will convert this one dimension array to two dimension array using new access, right? Using new access. So A equal to, right, A of np dot new access, okay, comma and colon you have to write. So now I will find A here. Now the A is changed. See here. Now it converted into two dimension array. Now let us find n A dot ndim. It is 2. So in this way you can convert one dimension array to two dimension array. So further if I apply A is equal to, right, A of, so I will apply again here. I will copy this. I will paste it again and run this, and now I will print A. See, now it is three dimension array. So if you keep on doing this, the dimensions will change. See here, now A dot ending is 3. So if I want this, copy this and paste for, right, and I will paste again and I will run it again. So initially it was 3, now the shape, so now the dimension will be 4, and here the dimension will be 5, here the dimension will be 6. Now let us check A dot and dim, it will be 6. Sorry, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 5. Okay. So in this way, you can continuously change your dimensions using new axis. So in this way, you can convert your one dimension array to two dimension array. Okay. Right. Now there is another way to change your dimensions, and that is expand dimensions. So I will write x equal to np dot expand dimensions. Okay, a comma x is equal to 0. Now if I ask the shape x dot shape, now see this. So this is the shape of this, and if I print x, and this is the array, so sixth dimension array. So till now we have 5 dimension, and one more dimension is added, sixth dimension. So here how many dimensions are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this way you can say that this dimension is 6. So now x dot ending is 6, right? So in this way you can convert these dimensions using. Good morning friends. Today we are going to learn about indexing and slicing in Numpy. So let's create an array. Import Numpy as np dot array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? Now let's name this as A. Now print A. So this is the array. So we can create an array from existing array by indexing and slicing concept in NumPy, right? So I want to create an array such that I will take the existing array. So the existing array here is A, and I will write like this, and I will mention the starting index and the stop index. Okay, start index. Now I want 3, 4, 5, right? Now what are the indexes here for 3, 4, 5? So indexes for these are, okay, the indexes, see, the indexes of 1 is 0, index of 2 is 1, index of 3 is 2, like that. So if I ask the index starting from 1 to 3, so see the result. Now I will print B. So what is the array? 2, 3. Why? Because the index I asked is starting from 1, and so the index of 1 is 0. The index of 2 is 1. So it started with 2, right? 2, and the next is 3, and the index 4 is not included. So the result is 2 comma 3. So here in this subscription, you have to mention start and stop. Start is included in your result, but stop is not included. Let us say if I write 1 to 6. Now tell me the output. 1 to 6. The index here are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So if I ask 1 to 6, it starts with so index of 1 is 0. So index of 2 is 1. So 2 is included from starting from 2 to 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3. See here, starting index is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 index is not included. So index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 7 is not included. The result will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, did you understand this? Here, 1 represents the starting index. Now, the index starts with 0. So, 1 is not included in this. The index 1 is 2. The value at index 1 is 2. So 2 is included. Now from starting 2 to 6 minus 1. So fifth index. So first index number 1 to index number 5. Index number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's why 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are included. See here I will write the index numbers 0, 0 is the value at 0 is 1, comma index 1, the value at index 1 is 2, the value at index 2 is 3. In this way you have to write. Okay, then you can easily manipulate and you can able to tell the answer. Now can you tell this a of, okay, sorry, a of 3 to 7. Now take a pen and paper and write this result. Okay, note down this array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the indexes start with 0. Now write 0 after 1. So here the index is 0, index is 1, index is 2 here, index is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here when I ask for 3 to 7, starting is 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So the result will start with 4, 3, then index number 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, So 5 is included, 6 is included, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 8 is not included. So the result would be 4, 5, 6, 7. Whatever you mention here, this index number's value is not included in your result. So the output would be 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I will print C, right? See, 4, 5, 6, 7. Got it? So in this way, indexing and slicing. Good morning, friends. Today we are going to learn about concatenating array in Numpy. Import Numpy as np dot array 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, now let us name it as A. Now we are going to create another array B, np dot array 4 comma 5 comma 6. Now I'm going to concatenate these two arrays using method called concatenate. Okay, C is np dot concatenate of A comma B. Now let us print C. See here, in this way you can concatenate two arrays using concatenate method. That's all. Now we are going to learn about sorting. Okay, now I am creating another array D np dot array 6 1 9 2 5. Okay, so this array is not having any order. Now let us sort this array. Okay, you can sort this array using sort method. Okay, and np dot sort of D. Now run this. See here, 1 2 5 6 9. So in this way you can sort an array using sort method. Okay, now this is about sort method and concatenate method. Now we are going to reshape an array. So in the previous video we discussed about shape of an array. So let us create one more array. Import, sorry, so let us say D is np dot array. Okay, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 4 comma 5 4 comma 5, and this is entirely embedded into a single array. Okay, now print this D. So this is D here. Okay, so now what is the shape of this D? D dot shape. So there are three sets, three lists. So 3 into, so How many elements in each set? In each list? 2. So 3 into 2. 3 comma 2 is its shape. Okay. 3 comma 2 is its shape. See how many are there? 1, 2 and 3, and each is having 2. So 3 comma 2. Now can I reshape this array? Now I want to reshape as 2 comma 3. That means I want two lists each having 3 elements. So for that you can reshape by using a method called reshape.